How to log into Bitget account. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can log into Bitget account. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can log in. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to log in into your Bitget account, there are certain processes you need to follow in order to do that. First of all, you need to have the Bitget application downloaded on your device. After the download is complete, you just need to launch the app on your device. And after launching it, you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So in order to log in, you just need to follow up this process. At the left corner, at the top right, at the top left, you can see this cube icon. You just need to tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can easily find the login and sign up option here. So in order to log in, you just need to tap on login. After that, you just need to enter your email or phone number or other Google, Apple account or Telegram, whichever you have used in order to create your account. Just type in your details, password, and you may receive a verification code if you have turned on the authenticator app, and you just need to enter your code. After that, you'll be logged in into your account. Otherwise, get back and sign up. Just create a new account by entering your email, password, or create a new account by using a Google, Apple account, or your Telegram, and simply log in into your account. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to log in into your Bitget account successfully. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.